Hello everyone, now let us see one more question from JEE 2025 January session from the chapter work Energy Power. This is question number 35 of 29th January morning shift. The question goes like this. As shown below, bob A of a pendulum having massless string of length R is released from 60 degrees to the vertical. It hits another bob B of half the mass that is at rest on a frictionless table in the center. Assuming elastic collision, the magnitude of the velocity of bob A after the collision will be. Take G as acceleration due to gravity. Now you can see the picture. Here is bob A and it comes and hits bob B here, and bob A has mass m, bob B has mass m by 2. Now it comes from 60 degrees. Okay, now let's see the solution. Here we need to apply law of conservation of energy and law of conservation of momentum and the coefficient of restitution. We will get all the answers. Now like it comes and hits like this. What will happen now? We need to know the velocity. Now from this triangle, height of A from the ground is half. How? I'll explain you here. At A, KE is equal to 0, PE is equal to mgh. H is R by 2. How? Cos 60 is equal to X divided by R. Cos 60 is equal to half. Therefore, X is equal to R by 2. Okay. Coming to the point, when bob A comes to B, its potential energy becomes 0 and kinetic energy is equal to half mVA square. Then apply conservation of energy. Half mVA square is equal to mgr by 2 because it is coming from the height R by 2. Now, bob B was at rest, therefore it doesn't have velocity. It is on the ground level, reference level, so potential energy is also equal to 0. Now, VA is equal to under root GR. Now, after hitting, let us assume A and B have velocities V1 and V2. Then from law of conservation of momentum, MVA is equal to MV1 plus M by 2 V2. Initially, B is at rest. We will get 2VA is equal to 2V1 plus V2. But E is equal to 1. E means coefficient of restitution, which is equal to V2 minus V1 by VA. Therefore, VA is equal to V2 minus V1. From equations 2 and 3, simplify for V1. You will get V1 is equal to VA by 3. But VA from equation 1, we got root GR. Therefore, substitute that V1 is equal to 1 by 3 root GR. This is nothing but option 4. God bless you all.